Hi everyone, some good news at the very start of the year. We're happy to announce that the Porto Theme, the highest rated theme on ThemeForest, has integrated Visual Composer in it. With Porto and Visual Composer, you get more than 120 full-site templates, 28 unique Porto content elements, alongside 40 plus Visual Composer elements and templates. With the full-site templates, you can get your site up and running in no time. Visit our blog to read the case study about Porto and Visual Composer. There you'll be able to find more information about the theme and where to find template previews for their whole site template library. Before I show you the beautiful Porto templates in Visual Composer, let me first show you how to get your hands on them. So the first thing, you'll have to be in your WordPress dashboard and you have to have the theme already downloaded and installed. But the next step, let's go to the Porto dashboard, and here you just have to activate your license. This will just mean that you get access to their demo content. The next step, let's go to the setup wizard, and here you can set up your whole theme and your whole site, but what we're interested in here at this point is the plugins section. Here you can choose Visual Composer and install that. If you have Visual Composer already, well, congrats, you can skip this step. Now let's just wait for Visual Composer to install, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, now when we're done, we can finally get to see those beautiful full site templates. So first things first, let's choose Visual Composer here, and now you can see all full site demos available for Visual Composer and the Porto theme. As you can see, here you can choose the plugin you'll use, so Visual Composer for us, and import right here. Before all this, you can just scroll through all the previews and see what fits for you. Okay, the Industry Factory installation is finished. So what happened here is that you have a full site imported and ready at the moment. So the next step is just to adjust the content to your own. So let's just open any page here, the home page for example, and see how that looks with Visual Composer. Obviously, the same as it did in the preview, and here it is. What you can do here is simply adjust the content and make the site your own. Change the text, the images, well, you know the drill already. So there's another cool thing about Porto. You can mix and match blocks from the templates, and you can do it right here at the Porto Studio that is available here on the left at all times. You can just browse the content for all sorts of types like call to action blocks, clients, countdowns, full page templates, e-commerce solutions, and products, for example. It's all available here from the editor, so simply choose a block and add it to your page. I'll leave a tutorial link with a tutorial on how to get access to the Porto Studio in the description. If you are a theme developer yourself, you can integrate Visual Composer in your themes as well. And again, I'll leave a link here at the top for more information about that. Now, after all the templates and links, you know all there is to know about Visual Composer integration in the Porto theme. Make sure to check out the blog article and like this video to let us know to make more videos like this one in the future. So thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.